The Food and Drug Administration recently came up with a study and a conclusion that low doses of BPA, Bisphenol A, is okay for human consumption. Now, FDA is the other name for the Food and Drug Administration, the short name or acronym, if you will. But scientists disagree with the FDA's findings because after research on many rodents or several rodents using low doses of BPA or Bisphenol A in this research study, they came to find over a period of time that many of these female rodents ended up with breast cancer. Howbeit, they said in large doses it did not occur, but in lower doses they did receive cancer as a result of having this administered. Now, what is BPA or Bisphenol A? It is a synthetic estrogen that is used to make plastics, amongst many things. Plastics in bottled water, bottled beverages in general, and even food containers. They, excuse the expression again, contain Bisphenol A, or short name BPA. I'm sure you've seen that. So what happens oftentimes is in shipping and in storage, due to temperature changes, oftentimes these containers have a tendency to sweat, and the chemical leaches and contaminates the food, and then of course subsequently we consume a portion of that chemical. So again, the Food and Drug Administration is saying that it's harmless in low doses, but the scientific community says otherwise. Now, I'm going to say this to you. Most of you know my stance on these types of subjects. If we're biological, if we are natural, flesh and blood, why are we putting chemicals that are synthetic and not biological in our bodies in the first place, no matter what the dosage? So if it causes cancer in research animals, laboratory studies, then doesn't it stand to reason that it causes cancer in human beings as well? So stay away from any food containers, to include beverage containers, water, and so forth, because the vast majority of all of them contain BPA or Bisphenol A, along with many other chemicals that are not safe for human consumption. This is Brother Teacher. That's it, and that is all. So long.